Good morning, students. This is the second topic for SS2 students. We are going to be looking at diseases of crops. As usual, I'm Ms. Dim. Disease is a deviation of an organism from its normal state of health. Causes of crop diseases. Most diseases of crops are caused by fungi, bacteria, or viruses. Diseases caused by virus. The first one I want us to talk about is the rosette disease of groundnuts. Symptoms of this disease: stunted plants with curled leaves, shortened internodes. Another one is the cassava mosaic diseases. Symptom: mottling of leaf, stunted plants, reduction in yield. Now, what do you understand by mottling of leaf? Mottling of leaves simply means when there are patches or spots on the surfaces of leaves, just like what you can see here. Disease caused by fungus. Maize rust disease. Symptoms is when the maize plant or the maize leaf is having a red spot on the surface. Most of you might have experienced this one way or the other. Maize leaf having spots on the surface. Another symptoms or effects is that it causes reduction in the yield of the maize plants. Cocoa black pod disease. Symptoms: brown spots on the pod. The cocoa pods also begins to rotten and there is low yield. Coffee leaf rust. Symptoms: yellow or brown spots on leaves, dropping of leaves, reduction in yield. Bacterium. Diseases caused by bacterium. Leaf blight of cassava. Symptoms of leaf blight include wilting of plants. Wilting means when a leaf becomes limp, like as if it's falling. That is when we say the leaf is wilting. Another symptoms include falling of leaves and reduction in yield. Black arm of cotton. Symptoms: angular spots on leaves and stem, retarded growth and death of plants. Now, how do we prevent and control diseases in crops? The first one is cultural control. Let's weed regularly. Burning of crops that are infected so that they won't have to infect other crops. Use of resistant varieties. What do we mean by resistant varieties? By resistant varieties, we mean plants that are less vulnerable to attack by plant pests or diseases. There are some plants that are not easily attacked by pests or diseases. When we use such plants, at least we are sure of the longevity of the crop because there won't be any disease invasion in the farmland. Chemical control, the use of fungicide, pesticide. Biological control, when you use natural enemy of the disease to totally eliminate the disease. Classwork. I want you to just highlight 2 plant diseases, give the symptoms and the ways of preventing it. When you go through the notes, you actually know what I'm talking about. This is the classwork. Remember, this is our second topic for the term. Little by little, we are going further. Assignment: state 5 economic importance of crop pests. Please submit your assignments and classwork. It can be by sending it through my private chat on Telegram or by sending it to the biology class group on Edmodo. Thank you very much. So it means we've come to the conclusion of crop pests and diseases. Our next topic for next class is going to be reproduction, sexual reproduction in vertebrates. Have a wonderful day. I advise you copy all this into your notebook. It's going to form part of your notes. Thank you.